Welcome everyone to the Moody Maximalist, a space where we explore all things maximalist design and moody decor. My name's Veronica. I am a moody maximalist in training. Join me on this channel as I explore ways to turn my very beige and plain apartment into a colorful but also slightly moody maximalist space with bold colors, bold designs, but also some moody, dark floral, dark academia, black and gold, goth inspired items. We're doing it all on this channel. I hope you will join me as I introduce you to my space and also take you along for some fun craft projects. There will be Dollar Tree crafts, there will be thrift flips, there will be upcycle projects. There's going to be a lot of DIY on this channel, and I will take you along through the highs and lows of my process of becoming a crafty, moody maximalist. This is a safe space to share fails and successes. I look forward to hearing from you about the projects you're working on, about the spaces you're creating, where you feel comfortable and where you feel like you can express yourself through your space and through your decor and design. And I really look forward to exploring my creative side on this channel with all the ups and downs, with all the potential fails and pitfalls. We will talk about it all. I hope you will join me and come along. I have some fun projects planned. You're seeing some previews here in this video already, and I look forward to introducing you to my space and to my interests when it comes to decorating a small rental space and making it my own on a budget. If you're looking for expensive Pottery Barn and Anthropologie, etc. furniture and wall decor, this is not going to be the space to do that, but this is the space where we're going to create some dupes for some of these items and where we allow ourselves to be inspired by the overpriced decor that's available for purchase, and then we'll do it ourselves on the cheap, because that's what we do around here. So come along, hit the like button on this video, hit subscribe, and I look forward to having you along on this journey.